Hey, friends. My mentor and friend, Dr. Robert Tuttle, taught me this phrase. The key to ministry is learning to show up, pay attention, and know that God has way more invested in what's happening than we do. And as I've gotten older, I've discovered that the secret to actually showing up and paying attention is my daily practice of contemplative spirituality. Now, on July 24th, I'm offering a workshop. It'll be on Zoom. And if you sign up, whether you can attend or not, you can get the video and the content. And I'm going to be teaching for about an hour on this very topic, contemplative practices for busy 21st century pastors. I invite you to attend. You'll be really glad you did. You'll be resourced and you'll find valuable tools that can help you in your life and ministry.